What is the proper way to get access to client's GA4 tag manager if the client doesn't have anything? Should we create them or guide them how to create it? Most clients, if they don't have it, it is a pain to tell them how to create it. They have come to you as an expert to help them with their digital marketing. It's like a plumber comes to my house and says, okay, I need you to help me stop, show me where this is or where this stop valve is and how to stop this, the water flowing from this tap or whatever it is. No, I don't know. This is why I've called you. You work it out. What is where. In that case, I would just create a new account if they don't have anything and give them the admin access. As simple as that. That's the quickest way. Otherwise, if you wait for your client to create these accounts, you'll be waiting for a long, long time.